Prospect Hemo Control is a hemoglobin analyzer which produces precise, accurate, and repeatable results in a matter of seconds. This easy-to-use portable device is used by many healthcare professionals throughout the UK to obtain laboratory-quality hemoglobin results with one simple test. From an 8 microliter sample of blood, hemoglobin results are achieved within 25 to 60 seconds. Bubble-free cuvette design also ensures only the most precise results are achieved. A strategically placed vent at the rear of the sample cavity reduces the risk of introducing air bubbles to nearly zero. This accurate and reliable device achieves impressive laboratory quality results with a CV across the measurement range of less than 2%. The user-friendly features and step-by-step on-screen instructions minimize training time without negatively impacting the quality of result or patient care. Users also appreciate the soft close function on the analyzer, which reduces contamination. As standard, an unprecedented 10-year warranty, parts and labor is included, giving you peace of mind every step of the way. The Prospect Hemo Control is calibrated to the ICSH reference method and utilizes the spectrophotometric azide methemoglobin method. Effective data handling is ensured by allowing up to 4,000 patient results to be stored on the analyzer and with easy connection to any computer via the USB port. The analyzer can also be upgraded to include additional data management functions like barcode identification of patients and operators. To facilitate a strong QC protocol, the device will also store an extra 500 QC results. In addition to the standard data management functionality, the new EKF Link platform is now also available and provides the POC management team with a full connectivity solution to manage multiple device types across all locations. No maintenance is required as the Prospect Hemo Control is factory calibrated and performs routine self-tests. The integrated rechargeable battery lasts for 100 hours when in continuous use and 30 days when in standby mode. EKF Link Full Connectivity solution will streamline all POC managers' daily routines, allowing for ongoing laboratory quality HB measurement. Working in partnership with the manufacturers EKF Diagnostics plc, Prospect Diagnostics Limited are authorised distributors of EKF medical technologies throughout the British Isles and Ireland. For more information and to request a free trial, contact Prospect Diagnostics Limited at customercare@prospectdiagnostics.co.uk or log on to our website www.prospectdiagnostics.co.uk. Please inquire about Prospect Hemoglobin Dashboard, the turnkey solution for all point-of-care practitioners.